Hi Ali. Hi Ali.
Hi!
Hi Jofel. Hi. Ito yung pinakamagandang kanina. Saan ka pupunta, kapatid?
I'm going to Wadi Shauka!
Thank you. Ihimok na kami. Hi, Sana. Hi, Nepal. Yes, that's the target po. Yun yung flag sa dulo. But look at the stairs. Yeah. We're in. We're in. We're very in.
Which way was that? There was a... yeah.
Yes, nandun sila. Eh, nauna ako ng very light. So, let's go! So yun guys, nag-trek. Nandun pa sila. Yun sila, but yeah, nauna na ako kasi parang nag-iinit na. I wanna finish it soon. So, ito yung view ng bundok and also yala. Look at the beauty. Bundok. And then same trail. And sila bumababa na pero sa gilid kami ng bundok. May farm doon and yeah, look at that. So dito hindi ka naman mawawala kasi hanapin mo lang yung mga ganito na trail. So pag may ganyan, it means guide yan na you're on the right path. Nasa ano ka, blue or nasa right na trekking path ka, blue path. So yan, kaalaman. And ganda ng panahon. Good to contemplate. Tsaka ang ganda din ng buwan. Ang tahimik dito, walang mga ingay-ingay ng sasakyan. But I wish you could feel it as well, like, and yeah, lakad lang tayo and all. Sana maganda dun sa dulo. Nandun yung mga kasama ko. That's my lady boss. That's Dr. Agnes Rose, Nurse Angie, si Faye, si Alessandro, and all. Yeah, making.
Because my coach always said that if you're too tired or exhausted, you can shout out.
ورا الجبل بس صعب انك تصير تشيله منه
Talo ko.
Nice. Yeah. Because otherwise there's no shade. Huh?
literally ito nagpark
Yeah,
ka na
organic.
camping. This side we went camping, Doc. There's a lake there, small lake.
Water thing. How are you paying?
Yeah.
No, we just walk.
We're still alive.
And kicking. That's the rest of the team.
Picture.
Filling the water. 3 out of 10 pa lang daw ito. That's Karen.
Picture ba yan?
Guys, tingnan yung mukhang to. Bait yan, mabait yan. Yan pinakabait dito. Tingnan mo, sinaktan pa ako. Flat na naman. Pumunta pa sila dyan. Then, this is our trail. Mga bato-bato yan. Gasping for air. Hello. I start thinking na parang napasobra ako ng activity today. Hindi ko nakalang ganito kasarap yung trekking na gagawin. I thought cute lang. But look at us. Anyways, it's fun. It's really fun. Minamanipula yung sarili. But it's really fun. I love it. Look at, papunta pa ako dun. Tapos, I don't know what's the other side. I don't know if you can see them, but that's them.
Yeah, that's them.
Yeah.
I don't see Alessandro.
That's Faye.
Faye.
Oksana. Hello! Who's that? Angie?
Yeah.
Ano, Karen?
Sansone Fry on the left. But I don't see Alessandro.
Alessandro is always at the back. Look, that's Elson F.I. there. Alessandro somewhere.
Ah, maybe just now. Coming from the, no?
Yeah, that's Alessandro. You can do it, Alessandro.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Steady, slowly.
Okay. Yala. So, yeah. Punta pa kami doon sa dulo. It's okay. I'm having fun. Did you lose? Look at this beauty.
I am the one.
Ah, you did this?
Yes, but no, the small on the top.
Ah, I thought like, oh. Papahinga muna kami. Look at the view.
It's good. Sometimes like
We have some other friends here. Look. But we're waiting for the rest. Who is still there on that side.
mountain.
But I know they can wait.
Yeah.
While others are struggling.
Very good, this one.
Yeah.
Michael.
While others are struggling. Ali already did this
Ali
thing.
at the top!
Wow, at the top. Poor you guys, shame on you people.
Energy, Ali. The cookie. It's good, it's good.
Taas energy ah. Paano yan? Paano? Ah, taas energy ah. Baka off bukas. Taas energy ah. Ito mapagpanggap to. Kakatakbo lang doon. This is Kyle. Yeah. Mapagpanggap, kakatakbo lang yan dyan. This is Doktora Kathleen. Hi, Kat!
Yay! Wow, sila! Mga bato! Kanina pa kayo?
Mm-mm. Yun, may cookie si Dr. Agnes, oh. Gusto nyo? So, ipapahinga kami dito with pinakatigasing si Kamolar na nagtatago dito sa dilim.
Hello
Hi,
guys.
Kamolar!
Hello Michael's Vlog. How are you sa mga viewers natin dyan? Please hit like button naman dyan.
Thank you. Yeah, so magpapapicture na si Angie. So, let's go. So, tapos na yung pamamahinga at kami mag-uumpisa na. Sir Nep, say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog!
Here.
Hi vlog! Oh!
Medyo mayayain sa Nepay. Bisaya din siya. So. I'm having fun. All of them are having fun.
Hello vlog!
Hello vlog!
We are in the middle of nowhere.
In Wadi Shauka. I thought like it's Wadi, so there should be water, but there's no water! Yeah. So you, look at the view.
Yeah, live.
And yeah.
Live from the top of the world.
Yeah, so that's Nafay and Ali.
Ito na naman pababa.
That's Nafay. That's Dr. Agnes. And that's the rest of the team. Medyo mainit na kaya nagpapayong na sila. Yeah, but it's very far. No, they can do it. I mean, guys, yung mga kasama ko, I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, they're still there. Pagod na. Pero, salamat ako kasi laking taga Cotabato. And, yeah, we have a lot of like this. May nagmayabang pa. Yeah, but all good. I'm good. Still okay. Yeah, I'm happy. Ganda ng view. So, ganda. Tarik. Kakayak. Doon na yung flag. Doon. Saan? The goal is the flag. Lumapit na. The flag is there. The Agnes is very happy as well. And Ali. Woo! I don't. We'll tackle that later. Yes, malapit na. Nice here. Windy and very dry. Inunahan ba ako ng kasama kong i-touch yung vlog? Yeah. Well done! Well done, Ali! Well done! Well done! You won, boy! Can I touch this? What the heck? I sorry. Hey! Dr. Agnes is the third one. You need to touch the flagpole, Doctor. Third. 2, 1, yay! Well done. 1, 2. The flag. Touch the flag, yeah.
Yeah, it's the end.
Yeah, well done, Joshua!
Nice picture.
Touch the flag, Nepay! Yeah!
Okay, yalla, let's take a picture.
Wala na. Kuya, wala na. Sila.
Touch the flag!
Touch the flag. Touch the flag. Hey!
Go!
Go. Touch the flag, Jofel. Goal. Well done, people. Let's pay. Pay Oksana.
S24 or better Ultra S24 Ultra. This is the one.
Pumayat na si Alessandro.
Yay! Angie! Nandito na si Angie! Si Angie Rico. Touch the flag, girl. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Yan, set up mo na.
Last but not the least.
Baba na tayo.
Huh?
Hindi na sila kakakuan dito sila pakakakit dito.
Ka, ikaw na hinihintay kasi magpipicture tapos bababa na. Hey! Karen! Karen! Touch the flag. Touch the flag. Pole.
Yay! Okay, let's take photo.
So, pauwi na kami. So, ito si Karen. Mag-hi ka naman ka. Hi! Ikaw masyado mag-video.
Hi, video.
Kurutin kita dyan. Hello, video. We're going home. Medyo umaamoy araw na.
Medyo lambot na ng tuhod ko.
Yala.
Medyo lambot na talaga.
So, guys, tapos na kami. Pauwi na. And yeah. It's fun. Fulfilling. And yeah. Nakaka-happy. Yala. So these are the best photos that I have taken for today. Oh my god, this is a long day, but I love it. I really love it. And if there's a chance that I will do it again, the trekking ones, yeah, I will definitely do it again. Thank you, team, for joining, and I hope you all guys enjoyed it. And thank you for watching. Yala, bye bye.